Ever look in the mirror and wonder why your skin looks so dull? No glow, no smoothness, maybe breakouts, dark spots, or even sun damage. Feels like your face just gave up. But here's the good news. Your skin can change. Our skin naturally renews itself every 28 days. So if you stick to the right routine starting today, in just 1 month, you'll see a real difference. And let's be clear, good skin isn't just for women. For men, it's about confidence, energy, and focus. When you look fresh, you feel sharper. So here are the 3 steps to get clear, glass-like skin at home. Step 1. Clean your body from the inside. Most people think glow comes from products. It doesn't. It starts inside. First thing in the morning, drink a glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice. It flushes out toxins, helps digestion, and over time, your skin looks clearer and less oily. Step 2. Wash and exfoliate the right way. Pollution, sweat, sunscreen, and dead skin cells build up on your face. That blocks pores and makes your skin look tired. So wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser that fits your skin type. And exfoliate a few times a week. Even simple home mixes, like yogurt and coffee, or honey with a little turmeric, work great. Here's a quick hack. Rub an ice cube on your face for a minute. It shrinks pores and gives you an instant fresh look. And don't forget hygiene. Wash your hands before touching your face. Keep your phone clean. Change your pillowcase often. Small habits matter. Step 3. Lock in the glow with daily habits. Drink more water. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Eat foods with high water content like cucumbers and oranges. Get enough sleep. That's when your skin repairs itself. And manage stress. Even 20 minutes of working out, meditating, or walking can calm your mind. And that calm shows on your face. So here's your routine. Hydrate in the morning. Eat clean during the day. Wash your face at night. And get solid sleep. Do this for 28 days straight. When you look in the mirror, you won't just see glow. You'll see self-respect. Because glass skin isn't a filter. It's not a shortcut. It's the result of simple, consistent habits. Respect your skin, and it'll respect you back.